Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, the Delta Pikin. Thank you all for your love and support. So today guys, I will be showing you how to dry your cow meat into perfection, just like you are seeing it now, that you can use to cook any soup of your choice. So guys, to get started, you need fresh cow meat. This is already washed. As you can see, it's looking nice and clean. So I'm just going to cut it to my desired size. You can cut it to any size of your choice. So next I'll be adding my salt, some seasoning powder, water, and I will just cover it to simmer for 10 minutes. And this is after 10 minutes. And I will just take out the meat from the stock. And I will just put it aside to cool down for some minutes, maybe 1 hour or more. Next, I will transfer it on my grilling rack like so. And put it inside a preheated oven. And I'll put my pan under it so that the excess water from the meat can drop on it. Just keep coming back to check every 30 minutes and also flip it over so that both sides can be well dried. So like so. I'll just keep coming back to check on it, and as you can see now, it's getting dried. See the difference from the first time. See, you just need to flip it over after some minutes so it can get really dried from both sides. And so this is the final result of our dry meat. This is how it's looking, well dried to perfection, guys. I'm just going to cut it so you can see how it looks inside. See inside. You can use it for any soup of your choice. And guys, this is after it has cooled down. Look at how it was looking after I allowed it to really cool down. So that is looking really beautifully nice, guys. So guys, this is the final result of our dried meat. You can use the one you need and store the rest in your freezer. You can use it to make any soup of your choice, guys, and it's really delicious, guys. You will like it, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like. If you've not subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.